Hey everybody, ScrapRoom Maureen here. This is actually going to be another layout share for the month of December. The first one I filmed, I think, was on Christmas Eve because I had some layouts that I was giving as Christmas presents. So from then, so let's see, the 24th to today, which is the 29th, I believe. So 5 days, I've come up with this huge stack of things. So I'm going to show you. Some of them are finished. Most of them are just base pages because I've just been going base page crazy. I've actually been going through quite a bit of my ScrapRoom kits and finishing things up. So let's go ahead and show you what I've been working on. Okay. This one, honestly, I think I put together the base page last year, finished it up this year, but this is actually featuring Hip Kit Club from a very long time ago. I used to like getting things from them until they started creating their own line of stuff. So now I go to the ScrapRoom because I like getting the name brand things, a mixture of them, just a little bit. So anyway, there's that one done. Let me find a spot to put all these in quick. There we go. Okay. All right. This one is also, I'm pretty sure, Hip Kit Club mixed with some snow and cocoa, possibly crate paper, possibly. So this one, again, I did the base page last year, and then I finished it up this year. Okay. This was old Simple Stories, and I finished, or did the base page last year and finished it up this year. So, okay. Now some of these don't even have everything stuck down, like the pictures placed down yet, because I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to want them. But here's this one. This was a Fancy Pants collection from the ScrapRoom. Okay. This is a Simple Stories Father's Day collection that I got in my Simple Stories kits that I got from them, like fall, winter, spring, and summer boxes. So this came in one of those. So there's this layout. Oh, as you can see, I have embellishments, a title all over the place. I'm not done yet, so. But here's this one, and this is also, I believe, an old Simple Stories collection. And I started that one last year as well. Yeah, and this one too. So here's that one. Now this one is just a base page, and these I made with washi tape from 49 and Market. So I just put that together, and I have to finish that. So. Let's see, this one I worked on last year. I used paste and a stencil for this. And this is using, I'm pretty sure, papers from a Vicky Bouton collection, like maybe Fernwood or something. Anyway, that's of my sister. And I use this one for her because she loves the color orange, and it came out so cute. Anyway, so there's that. Oh, tons of these that I finally got put together. So this is from, well, what color? I don't remember the collection that these came from, but it was a paper that had nothing but these on them, but I cut them out, fussy cut them a long time ago, and finally got to put them down. So eventually I'll put pictures and stuff like titles and stuff like that on them. But I got this part done, which is nice. Another one. And I can't remember if it was One Canoe 2 or if this was that Goldenrod collection. I can't remember what collection it was, but it was pretty. Had all different kinds of. Let's see. And I had this one. I don't know how I'll use it yet. We'll see. Probably that way, I guess, since these are going up that way. One of them had nothing but hexagons on it, and so I cut that apart and used them. They're kind of wonky shaped ones, not perfectly shaped. See, this one is a double page, and this one is Old Heidi Swap. And as you can see, I have 2 4x6s, and yeah, there's the other one, 2 3x4 photo mats already. And then here's the if I can get this page, that would be nice. There you go. There's that. Oh, looks like my mixed media page got mixed in. This is one of my mixed media pages that I made. So I did some stamping and purple with the snowflakes, the blue smushing technique in the background, and it also splatters, pink and blue splatters. So I'll probably use that with my, I'll put it over here with my winter things that I'm working on. So this is the Fancy Pants, and this was a ScrapRoom kit. So here's this one. Oh, okay. This was finishing up this collection, the summer collection. Oh, I can't remember the name of it. Well, I guess it's called Summer Dreams, probably. This is the packaging from it. You guys know how I like to use that. So I'm going to finish that up. And then I had this that I had fussy cut the tags. So I finished up the rest of it. So there's those two. Okay. Now this is from the ScrapRoom. Yeah, a kit from the ScrapRoom, and I think it's a Pebbles collection. Yeah, Pebbles. So there's that base page and photo mat, and then there's that I got to finish it up with. Okay, let's see here. These are 6x8s that I have finished. Well, not totally finished, but set up and ready to go. And then this is all I have left from that kit from the ScrapRoom. So I'm going to embellish using embellishments and then put the rest into my card kit stash. So there's that. Here we go. We have another, this way, 2 6x8s. You guys almost ready and finished. There's 3 4x6 photo mats to go with this layout. I really love this paper. I thought it was so pretty. Okay, and then here's the scraps. So I'll add this to my card kit after I'm done embellishing those pages. Okay. I think I almost, yeah, I used up everything I think from this color. This was a photo play. It was a book collection kit from the ScrapRoom. I absolutely loved the colors of this. So pretty. So these are my 2 6x8 pages. Okay. And then we have 1 12x12. And there's that photo mat to go with. Okay. Here's another 12x12 with photo mat ready. Another 12x12 with the photo mat ready. Okay. Some more 6x8s. We have those two. Ooh, those two. We have one more 1 more 12x12. And I guess I did have, this was my biggest scrap, and here's the rest of them. And then I have the whole sticker sheet so I can embellish if I want and stuff like that. Okay. Then this was all I had left of this. I think I had already done a couple layouts with this kit. So there's 2 6x8 layouts with that one. And I don't think I had any leftovers at all with that one. So, okay, this, I know I already made a couple pages, one using these butterfly page earlier in the year. So here's a 12x12 with a picture mat. And here we go. That's right, this one goes with that one. I know this butterfly came from somewhere. So here, each of them I'm gonna have 2 butterflies to go with each layout, and then here's the photo mats, and then this is what the layouts look like. So there's that. Let me put these back, sorry, so I don't get them mixed up. Okay. Oh, 2 more 6x8s, yeah. Okay. So here are those. Let's see if I can grab that. So those will be like that. And that's from another kit from the ScrapRoom using a create or artistic crafting collection. Okay. This was the last layout I was able to get done with this collection. I think I got at least three 12 by 12 layouts already done. So this would be the fourth with that. And then here's the sticker sheet to go with it. And this is using that Pebbles collection. Oh, and I have 2 photo mats ready to go with that. I think that's from the same collection. Yeah. That's the same collection. And there's the photo mats to go with that one. Okay. This is all the scraps that I have left from that kit. And there is that one. Oh, yep, you saw some 6 by 8 layouts earlier. Here's this one. Ready to go. Oh, yep, I forgot. I got a 2-pager. Yeah. So that looks something like that. Oh, and another one. Huh. Okay, I got more than I thought. And there's this one. Just like that. Okay, this is using a Fancy Pants collection, and it's also from the ScrapRoom. I really wanted to use that pumpkin paper. I really loved it. So there's that one. And then this was the opposite of that paper, the behind, and this was a leftover of another piece, so I want to cut that out, fussy cut that out, and add that to it. But isn't that so pretty? I just love the colors. So anyway, there's that. Oh, and here's the leftovers for that kit. Okay, I think we ended up getting quite a few with this one too. So I have the mats for this one and some cut aparts, it looks like, or ephemera pieces, I'm sorry. And there's that one. Here's this one. Okay, so it looks like this is all the layouts, leftovers I have for that one. But I do have 2 6 by 8s. So there's those. Okay. I'm trying to remember, was this a photo play one too? I'm wanting to say it is. I do, I think. Don't quote me on that one. But here's this one. Then I have this one. If I can grab it. Okay. And then we have this. And I just love this little glitter tape. It's so pretty, and it pulls out that blue in there perfectly. So there's that one. Oh, there you go. There's this one. And I use the heck out of this paper because I love that side of it. As you can see, there's that one. And then that's it, because these are all the leftovers for that. So thank you so much for tuning in. Please let me know which layout was your favorite. And hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. Happy crafting, everybody. Thanks. Bye.